What's up? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, I'm back home, and today's idea was to show you my life at home in POV, which is basically using this brand new amazing mount that I've picked up for a GoPro, which is the GoPro Bite mount. I had the GoPro in my mouth the entire way, and it's fantastic. I can use this, my hands absolutely free, and give you a first-person view. Now I know this was something completely different, and this is exactly why I got into GoPros, because they can let you do things like this that mirrorless and DSLR cameras probably cannot. Now as you guys can see, I am home. I was out of the house for an entire month. I flew to Singapore, I tried to join a ship. Logistics, the pandemic, restrictions worldwide, all of them came down together, and I could not join that ship. So I came back to Bombay, I quarantined a little bit more, and now I've been sent home because my company finally told me that there are no more vacancies available. This kind of got me a little displaced in the beginning, but if you think about it, this actually happens. I mean, I did fly to join a ship, things were in place, but life happened, and that's life in 2021, and you can't help it. Also, I know a lot of future seafarers watch this channel, so for you guys, these things happen. Companies do their best, but sometimes things just don't work out, and you can't really control the outcome of the situation. So just look at it as an extended vacation. That's what I'm doing. I'm using all of the time that I have right now to come up with different ways of storytelling, improve my filmmaking skills, improve my photography skills, work with different crazy mounts like this. And the whole point is, it doesn't matter how things work out, as long as you have a little bit of space, as long as you're home. If you're stuck in quarantine, you can be mega creative. I'm definitely going to be here for a little while. I'm also going to be making a lot more tech focused videos on this channel, and there are also going to be a lot more tutorials on this channel for filmmaking, photography, especially for you guys who are all mobile filmmakers, people who just film on your action cameras, for non-professionals like you and me. So definitely hit that subscribe button, stay tuned for more, and I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Give this video a like because it's going to help the channel. This is Nitin Chawla. See you in the next one. Peace.